All right, well, apparently while I was out, somebody got into the kitty treats. Now let's take a look at our number one suspect. Daisy. Daisy, did you do this? Daisy, was this you? Daisy, you won't even look at me. Did you? Come here. Let me see you. Oh my goodness. Oh, Daisy, who smoked all my pot? You didn't. Well, I was out. Daisy, this toddler has a bunch of beer. I can't believe it. Did you kidnap this toddler and give her beers? Daisy. Oh, whose dying mail carrier is this? Daisy! Did you stab Mommy's mail carrier while I was out? Did you? Daisy! Look at her. Oh, are you sorry about that? Oh, whose bomb plans are those? Daisy! Did you make dirty bomb plans on the floor? Look at that! Oh, I see the detonator and I am very disappointed. Okay, you know the routine. In the kennel. Go. Go on. No. Time out for you, Missy. Bad girl.